What's up, guys? I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to get the Crackers Knockouts vehicle thing. As you can see, I have 995 out of 1,000, and when I get it, I will be getting this lovely vehicle right here. It will cost me $1 million, and I always wanted to have it. So let's get 5 KOs. I'm also gonna try to KO people with power-ups, because I'm also trying to get power-up master and the REM event thing. The power-ups. Yeah, boulder power-up and explosive shell. So, let's just KO people. New word for KO, KO. Okay. I mean, there is someone near me. Yeah, this whole video is just gonna be derby until I get the who's just gonna be driving the vehicle. Done. I might get this one quick. I might get it not quick. You'll never know. I'm just gonna keep recording until I get it. It might be an hour long. I don't know. Kind of suck at derbies, as you can see, especially because of the lag OBS creates. But yeah. Now we gotta go near him, into him. Yeah! KO. I just got a KO. Oh, it's a rocket boost to power up. There's a rocket boost to power up. Now I need to go somewhere. I probably go. No, nothing happened. What? Whoa. I say whoa. I think it's because I didn't want to hit him because he wasn't damaged at all. I kind of want to hit him. Boom! Boom! Kaboom! Explosion! Epic explosion! Ah! Brr. KO, dude. Easy KO. Come on, dude. Come on. The bus. I'm gonna get the bus. Bus. Bro! This lag is disadvantaging me now. Bro! Oh! Hit them where the engine is. I don't know if this guy's in the front of the back. I'm just hitting in the front. Some guys it's in the back. There's like very expensive cars and blah blah blah. It's wherever the steam comes from. It's gotta take out their engine, dude. Whoa, I think I responded. 4 more kills in 45 seconds. Oh god. Oh god. Ah! Ah! Stand left. Ah! Oh, why'd you KO him, Van? The bus thingy? Oh, why'd you KO Volkswagen? I hope. Volkswagen! Come on, dude. Yes! I got one last week. Fuck. Kazim 152 wins. How many KOs got there? Ah. I don't want to know how many kills. Like 8. Okay. Let's do snowball fight. Bomb tag won't let me do chaos. Let's do this, baby. Let's just do this. Let's do it. 997 out of 1,000. 997 out of 1,000. 997 out of 1,000. 997 out of 1,000. Thousand. 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 Yeah. Hi, Snowball Fight. I'm Team Red. I don't care about what. Give me that boulder. Give me. I want the boulder. I wanted the boulder. I'm not. I wasn't even trying to KO people. I was just focusing on the boulder. Ah, who's laughing now? I've got. I've got you. Garner. Melee. Oh. Da. Oh my god, I actually hit him. Yeah! Destruction. Yeah. Poop. I just threw it because right before they ended. I was the last team red? Bruh. Alright, at least that's over. I just don't want bomb tag or tank battle or whatever. They're annoying. $100% hit rate, dude? Oh, yeah. I got first. On Team Red, yeah, I got first. See, I'm so good. Free stack. I hate tank battle. I'm just gonna get the coolest one. This one. Yeah. Tanks. I definitely don't have $339 trillion plus. Definitely. As you can see it. Definitely. I'm definitely not 142. How does that guy have 240? What? Nothing. Oh, Bob. Bartholomew. 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 Oh, I thought that guy was stuck in the ground. I mean, he was, but like... Oh, God, that's loud. I do not care. I do not care. I do not care. I do not care. Yeah, hi. You're rich. Everybody team up on him. Because everybody likes to team up on the rich kids. That's why I chose the cool one, not the better one. I don't know if it's better or not. I don't think it really matters, but my barrel is gone. I love melee attacks. Oh god. Everybody likes teaming up on him, right? Aha! Got your barrel off! Yet. Yeah, imagine if I came home. I don't want guys barrel off. You should all praise me. Not the person who KOs him. Yeah, I'm the one that made him not KO people. Why are you shooting me? Oh, everyone's barrel is off. No one has a barrel. That dude has a barrel. This guy is so good. Get his dude's barrel off. Why does my tank look so dark? Come on. My tank looks so ugly. The colors are there now. I'm speaking gibberish. I don't know what I'm saying. I am losing my mind. I'm laughing. Razzie shot me. I thought I got your barrel out of side wiggle. Bro, you get your. Okay, this guy has no. I'm literally gonna die before him. Kill him. Ah! 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 He's killing me! Ah! Ah! Come on, dude. Ah! Oh, this guy has a barrel. Is it called a barrel? Isn't it the same guy? I think it is. I'm stuck. Help, 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 help! Ah! What is that? Out of my way! Out of my way! Yeah, Kill him. If I KO him right now, I'm a genius. I'm the best. Come on, dude. Okay, KO, dude. KO. I got his barrel off! Oh my god! That guy still has a barrel, the gray guy. Come on, dude. 14 seconds, 13. Please, I just want to KO you. You get out of my way, dude. I still won. Bro, that guy still has a barrel one, duh. Bro. I want to get the barrel off the kid. Ah, yeah, I got the most hits taken. Bullet. Oh, double 8 arena. It's one of the newer ones. One of the newest. Other ones I came in the same time as one of the newest. Okay, time to get those 3 KOs. I'm slowly losing my mind. One brain cell at a time. Yeah, get that bulldozer, dude. That bulldozer. Boulder! Yeah! I'm gonna get the big target. Ah! Bro. I hit him! Yes! Didn't I get a knockout? I think I saw him pop up. I don't know. I was just really excited for the boulder. How many hits did I do? It's for the power up master. Ah, yeah, I did get a KO. This dude dead yet? I don't know. Is that the one I died, Tim? What? Yeah, one more. 999. I need a screenshot of that. Hold up. Yeah, screenshot that right there. Perfect. Oh, 2 PKO'd me. I don't care. I need one more. What? Oh no. So I'm gonna get the garbage truck. I'm gonna get the garbage truck. I want the garbage truck. Yeah, that's my kill. No. You respawn. You freaking respawned. Yeah, I'm gonna respawn because I can't drive like this. Press the button before they hit me. Rocket Whistle. just doing things mindlessly, to be honest. You! Oh, looks even better! Bigger! Looks even better when it's bigger, dude. No freaking way. Freaking way. No freaking way. No freaking way. No, I don't have a knockout goal. Now when I'm dirty, I'm not gonna be excited when I get knockouts. Yeah, I just need that. Oh, I could get this with a tiny car. Yeah, I could get this another tiny car. But I could get this with destroying this with doing this one. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, time to get the cool one. It's like 1.1 billion or something. I could get the 350. So many videos I did. You might have seen the toilet cover for a split second there. I'm so excited. I just got it. This one's more expensive than this one. What was that sound? I don't care. This is absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. What the heck is this back thing here for? Buff mine clearance. I thought this was some sort of military vehicle, not a mining vehicle. Oh. It's a truck horn. Oh, of course. Woohoo! This is amazing, dude. This is amazing. Oh, by the way, use code V10 power to get mission points for this update. It only works in this update. Woo! Vroom vroom, baby. Gotta go near. Okay. We gotta test the speed, and we also gotta test air control. Let's just do add-ons. Okay. Air control should be added. Let's go to row 2. Wait, I'm already on. Is this thing on row 2, dude? It is. Okay, that's fine. Whatever. That was playing earlier today. Okay. Okay. I am losing my brain. 5 brain cells at a time now. Yeah. That's amazing, dude. Let's test the speed first. Oh my god, there's antennae. There's 2 of them. I don't know why there's 2. Pretty sure you only need 1. Not sure if that's even antenna. Antennae. I don't know if antenna is even the right word. I don't know what I'm saying right now. I'm just saying random stuff. Let's test air control here first. On that ramp right there, it goes 65 miles per hour. It's kind of slow. Okay, we're on the road again. Okay. What do I even name this video? I don't know. You'll know. Yeah! 444,445,000 money. Okay, okay. Let's go to row Kawatoro. Everybody knows who's the real king here. I got 1,000 KOs. Let's go. Let us go. Okay. Okay. Relax. Relax, Buckaroo. Is it gonna be a real test? What's that? It's like squeaking. Okay. There's 2 spare tires. 2! Not 1. 2! Whee! I think it fails. So what we're gonna do is do this. Do this. Do that. Then, yeah. Woo! That wasn't as epic as I thought. I went exactly 100 miles per hour. Okay, relax, slow down. Slow down, you gotta turn here, dude. Like my 2 and 10. Why is the rocket booster up there? How did I just notice that? Whee! I forgot the air control thrusters. Ah! Wee! I flipped. Epic flip. I thought the rocket booster was gonna be right there, right on the butt, but no, it's on the back, not the butt. Ah, yeah, it totally makes sense. I guess you can't go there because the ladder is there. Why did you add a ladder? Ah! Go near. Excellent. Okay, now if you liked this video, please like and maybe even subscribe. Hope you guys have a great day. Adios.